Hello and welcome to my channel, The Math Professor. Today we are solving a question on trigonometric identities. And the question is, show that 2 times sin raised to the power 6x plus cos raised to the power 6x minus 3 times sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x plus 1 equals 0. In order to solve this question, we'll use a couple of important formulae. The formulae are a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b, and sin⁴x plus cos⁴x equals 1. So let's get started without wasting much time. We can break down the left-hand side of the equation into 3 parts. Number 1, which is 2 times sin to the power 6 plus cos to the power 6 minus 3 times sin to the power 4 plus cos to the power 4, and number 3 is plus 1. So we will simplify each term individually. Starting with number 1, 2 times sin to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x can be written as 2 times sin⁴x whole cube plus cos⁴x whole cube. And looking at the identity a plus b whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b, we can find out a cube plus b cube equals a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. And replacing a with sin² and b with cos², you'll get sin⁴x plus cos⁴x whole cube minus 3 times sin⁴x cos⁴x times sin⁴x plus cos⁴x. And we know that sin⁴x plus cos⁴x is 1. So this equation will change to 2 times 1 cube minus 3 times sin⁴x times cos⁴x times 1. And multiplying by 2 inside the bracket, we'll get 2 minus 6 sin⁴x cos⁴x. Moving on to part 2, which is minus 3 times sin raised to the power 4x plus cos raised to the power 4x. Here, we can write it as 3 times sin² square plus cos² square. And by using the identity a square plus b square equals a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and replacing a with sin² and b with cos², we will get sin⁴x plus cos⁴x whole square minus 2 times sin⁴x cos⁴x. And we know that sin⁴x plus cos² is 1, so we'll get 1 square, which is 1, minus 2 times sin⁴x cos⁴x. So that means minus 3 times sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x is equal to minus 3 times 1 minus 2 sin⁴x cos⁴x. And if we multiply it by minus 3 inside the bracket, we get minus 3 plus 6 sin⁴x cos⁴x. And now using 1 and 2, the left-hand side becomes 2 minus 6 sin⁴x cos⁴x minus 3 plus 6 sin⁴x cos⁴x, and the third term, which was 1. So we can cancel out 6 sin⁴x cos⁴x, and we get 2 minus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 0. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.